Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel City's Little World. Today I have Physical Divisions of India Part 2, Coastal Regions and Coastal Islands. All about coastal regions. Starting from the Gulf of Kutch in the western coastal plains and then Goa, Karnataka, Kerala and Kanyakumari, and finally moving northward along the border of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, West Bengal. The India is blessed with a very long coastline. The area near the sea is called the coast, and the plains on the coast are called coastal plains. The coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plain is a wide stretch of land lying between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. The eastern coastal plains. It stretches from Tamil Nadu in the south to West Bengal in the north. The width of the plains varies between 100 and 130 kilometers. The eastern coastal plains are wider and level than the western coastal plains, and the region is divided into two parts, the northern Circa and the Coromandel coast. Eastern coastal plains. The coastal plains are divided into two parts, the northern Circas and the Coromandel coast. The rivers like Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and Mahanadi flow through the eastern coastal plains. This is the northern Circas coast and Coromandel coast. This is the northern Circas, and this is the Coromandel coast. This part of the coastline is along the Arabian Sea between the Western Ghats and the coast. The land is plain and is known as Western Coastal Plains. The Western Coastal Plains. They extend from Gujarat in the north to the south and Kerala. It is a narrow plain whose width varies from 50 to 80 kilometers. The Western Coastal Plains are smaller than the Eastern Coastal Plains, and the region is divided into four parts: Gujarat Coastal Plains, Konkan Coastal Plains, Karnataka Coastal Plains, and Malabar Coastal Plains. Difference between the Western Coastal Plains and Eastern Coastal Plains. Rivers of Western Coastal Plains do not form a delta. Western Coastal Plains are continuous plains. Western Coastal Plains are divided into three parts: Konkan Coast, Karnataka Coast, and Malabar Coast. Rivers of Western Coastal Plains include Narmada and Tapi. Rivers of Eastern Coastal Plains. Rivers of Eastern Coastal Plains form a delta. Eastern Coastal Plains are discontinuous plains. Eastern Coastal Plains are divided into two parts, Northern Circar and Coromandel Coast. Rivers of Eastern Coastal Plains include Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, and Godavari. Which are the Western Coastal Plains? It includes the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and Kerala. The region consists of three sections. The northern part of the coast is called the Konkan. The central stretch is called the Kanara or the Karavali, and the southern stretch is referred to as the Malabar coast. This is the Kathiawar Plains, the green one. The blue one is the Konkan Plains. The red one is the Kannada Plains, and the yellow one is the Malabar Plains. All about the islands. The islands. India has two groups of islands, Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. This is Andaman and Nicobar, and this is Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman and Nicobar. Located in east side in Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar consists of 300 islands. And the island was known as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands was known as Kalapani during the British rule. Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are ground 36 islands in Arabian Sea. These islands are made up of corals. Points to remember on coastal plains and islands. Western coastal plains receive more rainfall because it lies on the windward side of Western Ghats. Eastern coastal plains lies on the leeward side of the Western Ghats and receive less rainfall. Coasts receive more rainfall as the humidity in the clouds is high when they are at the coast. When they come inside the lands, they have already shed some water in form of rains. So, they rain less in the central lands or interior of the continent. So, clouds come from the ocean onto the lands. The eastern coastal plains are most fertile because there are many rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. They flow there and deposit fertile alluvium soil there. They are more suitable for growing crops. Coastal plains also provide economic activities like mining, fishing, salt farming, shipbuilding, metallurgy, manufacturing, etc. In a nutshell, coastal plains are a nerve center of India's international trade and with its productive habitat and rich biodiversity. Untreated waste dumped and waste oil discharged into the sea around the Lakshadweep group of islands or by the vessels tankers cause pollution. Thanks for watching. Bye.